SWISCO's 32-340 overlay self-closing concealed hinge set can be used as a replacement on frameless cabinet doors often found in bathrooms, kitchens, and armoire cabinets. In this video, we'll demonstrate just how to replace them. For this project, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, a 1/16 of an inch drill bit, an awl, wood glue, wooden dowels, and a utility knife. To start, remove the old hinges from the cabinet's side panel and door. Place your new hinges into the cup holes. Since our new hardware does not align with the existing mounting holes, we'll need to plug the holes and drill new ones. You can use a toothpick for a convenient way to plug small screw holes. Just apply a dab of wood glue and break the toothpick off near the surface. Next, use an awl to mark your new screw hole centers before drilling the new pilot holes. Just to be safe, mark your 1/16 of an inch drill bit with tape as an indicator of the max depth you can drill to avoid going through the front of the door. Now fasten your new hinges to the door with the included Phillips head screws. Before securing the new hinges to the side panel, we'll need to plug the old mounting holes to keep the new, smaller screws secure. For these, we'll use a 3/16 of an inch wooden dowel. Mark the depth and cut it to the appropriate length. Apply wood glue to secure the dowel, making sure it's flush with the surface of the cabinet. Since the screw holes for the new hinges match up nicely to the existing mounting holes, we can drill the new pilot holes in the same location. Once the new hinges are secure to the side panel, use the adjustment screw to set the alignment of your cabinet doors. For this part and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.